Mema Oya Kwaba Eba GC is hot news all time, latest and hot news. And I'm the Bremo. Richard Jakpa, any Godfred AG, Attorney General, when a home says same league tip of 12.0 a year, say 20 back or so, a chairman being a farmer. I watch say Godfred or ye J candidate, Mahama or ye J candidate. Now, what the assembly we have to go for a year. Ambulance saga who sends me. Now somebody send me a message says so we are subscribe to the channel now. Mr. Say over subscribe. Well like in our share video, what you are say over click the subscribe button now belly notification. We answer video for be upload. Also once ever can be. I feel we are now like video my thumbs up, the best thumbs up. Nothing was share my offer for us to own your share now who aircraft. I say yonko and semi. Ambulance who says to me a year up to 4 since one minority leader in parliament have been a deputy finance minister. Now one ambulance by and then one who's ambulance one by to run say any ambulance then no that can simply by AG Godfred I don't know the good name that is 1% one jelly up to 4 then they are third accused. Godfred ni could be come a found say quite over fast one bit made at 4 atum then the Korean assembly or the better about I assembly. Then I say Jody Bako about one children some of the George say Mahama ba Godfred or ye jail candidate. Now what the assembly now to them. Now young Kutin Samonona Yakabiano ye de best sumo inti and summer century editor intaining someone.
Lawless president on family engagement. Na me so Akufo Addo nya no hwe na me kwa me mo bia ho so mo ko prosecute no ma asa yi ho abekle no o mo hwen NDC baba Mahama beba Godfred eye J kan oye ensawom candidate. You know, it's not for the whole 200 a year cars on Medeba. It's for only first phase, which is 50.
It's all the second one.
And to the second one, Babasa Kwakoje, third one, Kwakoje, fourth one, Kwakoje. That is it. Now, and according to Godfred or born for Godfred for no dream, letter of credit in it, they say a payment here, Triaka. And Tiano and Anna Jakpa, Exem say. Letter of credit, no, it's not as well means a cash, a assurance, a security. Now, Oko audio will be up and take your phone. Now, search a letter of credit. A better say, or more yes, no, for a reason here day, maybe 1, 2, 3. Reason tia or more a year international business. Letter of credit, no. Reason to more yes, I was saying. Letter of credit, a financial document issued by a bank that guarantees a buyer's payment to a seller will be received on time and for the correct amount. If the buyer is unable to make the payment, the bank covers the full or remaining amount. Letters of credit are often used in international trade to mitigate risk such as currency fluctuation, political instability, or the distance between the buyer and seller. They provide a secure and reliable method of payment by ensuring that all conditions specified in the contract are met before the funds are released.
Yeah.
So that is the letter of credit.
Also, a letter of credit or credit letter is letter from a bank guaranteeing that the buyer's payment to a seller will be received on time and for the correct amount. If the buyer is unable to make a payment on the purchase, the bank will be required to cover the full or remaining amount of the purchase.
Okay, Chama David Botea sent a message. He said no sound. Check sound no.
Facebook.
Yeah, me sure say.
Also my.
Okay, all right, sure.
Yeah.
And that is it. A guarantee. Nanu nchina say. Yesika yetua. Na eno ena Godfred epese Richard Jakpa onko dia dance okoto nka say
enyo onko dia dance kurum
say dance no
like the big
onko dia dance okoto say o yesika ene de mae ena ono so conscience papa no ye dey ni Richard Jakpa wa ye dey
I don't know
because they say no offer no the cousin
Jakpa should be a never
no they say the cousin ne just a year uni Kolendi temperature such mame
oh, okay, let me check.
Now, my question is how many Ghanaians are falling victim to this? Godfred minimum, even the contract on TSC, letter of credit on TSC, this international contract on TSC, need you say, ye pequaya by hook or crook, I was say they are forcing to a fiase. Richard.
Okay.
Richard Jakpa.
Okay.
I was say they to forcing to a fiase. One, na unsatisfied say yes or no Godfred Amen wa ben or attorney general because Ghana for my bomb be ni free say we ma de. Second, na Emma MPP abanya vindicated say NDC and Mahama no me corrupt and inti etwo mu nyina gum. Third, and serving the purpose say to force na only did the charge. A year NDC minority in parliament, you know. Now you best start NDC minority up and to be able to say obey or babeka abai wasem. That's the three purpose na operation survey. Na e dia na bema Godfred Dame ebe request say the engagement of person na Richard Jakpa enya no enkonko ye e wo Jesse Yoni Kolindi PA. And according to audio no or more than once. Now, Mama Justice, Yoni Kolindi, Supreme Court Justice, a such meeting and Kosu. What is the relationship between the Attorney General and the Justice of the Supreme Court? And then the church say the same Attorney General or no find comfort. I was just Yoni Kolindi fee. Say another case called Supreme Court. Not just Yoni Kolindi at bench swa on rule in favor of the Attorney General based on the cancer friendship they have.
Sammy, Richard Jakpa free me searching me Mumma Facebook. Yeah. Sammy. Let me also announce the presence of Honorable Naziru. Sammy.
Again, a chest on ye. I just want to know the background.
Maybe everywhere not now.
I want to know the background.
The name sounds
it's from what it called.
Because yes,
Gunja. Yeah, because
you see,
yeah, maybe.
You can say the cousin.
My cousin do Jappa.
Joni,
in the
cousin
rather.
In the papa. Attorney General no threatening say oh cry no metima you bibi nipa ne say e plea bargaining e wo mramo is accepted enye say odi for ni company no e wo reputation in the real business aye no your reputation is everything.
Yeah.
So reputation is
right. The Bawumia say Gunja.
Yeah. Fantastic.
I'm say Jakpa is a Dagati man root from Gunja.
Fantastic. And any person the image, the reputation of a company will be dragged into the mud. To the person just for you crowd to do them, I'm paying you 2.something million euro. Now I'm just me before, but I want to protect the image of my company because a international company and they Ghana and Kwano and work contracts. We so that be men na so penny dia ko dia dancing crew mu say na minya o man fa hudi na men fa to force yem fa ntum say kwana ko ka tire court say wo yare untimi ma court na me tu kwa se da bia menya kwa ye niam pese me ye we a minister of justice na matna ya ka tro say Ghana ha those are we are responsible for our security, for our justice system. They are the criminals. Makacho say, open hard criminals are. You find them in the security. Or more some boy home buying. Open hard criminals are. You find them in the judiciary. Also, we make sure some interpreting law no to protect me, you, and everybody interest. And to the Minister of Justice, Ayana said yes, say, obey ensure say every Ghanaian is safe and protected by law. And ne or no, and na edi sumasidra. Catch will be say kwene kodi adansi krumu nyemfa innocent Ghanaian and kotofiase. First, must say ato forcing extra silent and command Bank of Ghana without approval from the minister, which is Setepe. Setepe ako court akodi adansi say wono and they giving a tacit approval to ato forcing the deputy so on choice letter. Mo claim me mun say ambulance from the buy no na car empty car bibia nim and na ya show video pictures car ni babedu ye is fitted ya fitted bibia wom set and no nanten another medical suppliers or medical ho almost pay the buy no bill of lading no eba be do Ghana 2016 November. Na bill of lading no ultimate eba ansakra na ema na ba be do
bra bill of lading ye den no akire mu
bill of lading ye enyama na wa import from na eba no ehon kratasem
pia
eba be do France na ema na ba be do Ghana enti bill of lading no eba be do Ghana sa medical supplies no de eba no eba be do Ghana November 2016 but enyama ni be do ye enyama ni be do 2017 under MPP and the Ministry of Finance money shipping yaman in their name no omo also mko yin yaman field port na omo use medical supply ni ebesi na enyaman da so port
ti when is a charge no
and the probia charge no willfully causing financial loss to the state. Number one supposed to be the Minister of Health then Kweku Agyapong, the mad minister.
Oh, menkasa.
Wabodam.
Menkasa.
Onwane kan yamna mekai mekasa msemano enkamasa msemano enkasa msemano onwane kasa oginia he was not thinking right. Wabodam.
Thinking right is what.
Bodam ni bodam na tina ni sukra e ka bodam fo e kasa Kwabena manu abodam enti Owusu Kweku Agyapong manu abodam. And once a soldier is always a soldier. Wabodam.
Menkasa.
Na sanko omo adamu a medical supply ye de Ghana sika etua hoka aba be do port 2017 ofri ministry order ben ye yi na di 6 months aba Kwabena ye yi na di 6 months aba adinti no wankwanko yi wo ba ye niama hu hia hospital Mahama asia commission ye de plaque abo Mahama di wo ko wide wo de abo
nyansa be no
woni nyansa be sa wo modama o be sa na medical suppliers abedu port akofa na fa ne mfa menhwe Ghana for ade no the sisi ho no mo dam abeyesa na de na MPP koka MPP aso mo Ghana say oh doctor oh really what's up no see doctor what's up no see doctor call no mo ye no call log no I record they say in 26 minutes audio na mo ka say doctor dey say in 26 minutes
into doctor
omo mechire audio no baby a doctored omo mechire baby a doctored we have criminals in the hands of affairs yet omo ka to protect our rights and freedom and the attorney general is one Godfred who kaba kata and omo twa omo bo ento the fabla na me approve na nko nanka kire me Ghana ha lawyers say a lawyer for him before. Tell me MPP good lawyer. Why? MPP good lawyer. Tell me why?
Maybe Owusu.
Why?
I know him.
The case here, Ben. Owusu when you are NNDC fair Bawumia Marata Briape upon the then Attorney General and Mahama. Ghana, you Cote d'Ivoire. It's a maritime dispute. Man, Koko Jina will defend you. Me a winnie.
Say Marita Brew.
Marita Brew. Sadly, now Godfred a deputy minister of Attorney General. And Attorney General na Akufo and na Attorney General wo mutimi Marita Briape upon when you could defend here
no lawyer Baku ya tickets here. Oh sorry Baku ya okoji
oh masa you ani we dey no to nchen Godfred ame onye no a Nigeria went me anko defend Ghana ya boy ka over 150 million judgment they kwakotia did know nothing. Tell me one international case I got for Dami I call presenting Ghana wa wini.
Obi say who lawyers won't be him Nanado.
Nanado or a lawyer. Nanado okujina court wa. You see? Oko a lawyer for moi. Yawo barrister, yawo lawyer. Barristers most as omon court. Omon research is in omon true bibia argument bibia omon natural. Nanado yento no kugujina ho no mane ya trade na nimu akokan. Ye wi ana law report na akapta ni din. Asa. Ede no nim. You know nothing. When you mumra and no be president, you declare so a lawless president. Lawless president on famra enye djuma. Na me so Akufo Addo nya no hwe na me kwa me mo bia ho so mo ko prosecute no ma asa you ho abeclare no omo ntwen NDC baba Mahama beba Godfred eye J kan oye ensawom candidate.
Yo waiting for waiting and some years actually edited no so reaction if I leaked it the top of between Richard Jakpa and Godfred Attorney General I want to go 1% up to 4 years they not entry. Nano na watch say Godfred or your deal candidate so na wade nsem dodo na ara na atuga meka wo say jisi so na wo hwe no say wunya subscribe ya message say over subscribe no like it na wa share video no ama ofoforo so enya bi na wa hwe usu betimi akire waden afaye ensem we nyina ho ewo comment box ni mobeti minka bi in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.